While camping at Cobscook Bay State Park, we enjoyed hiking in and around the campground, visited the historic town of Lubec, and saw 2 lighthouses, one the easternmost in the U.S. We're in a little trail that's right inside Cobscook Bay Campground, over near site like between 17 and 19. Check out the Cobscook Bay State Park headquarters pond, where we found this adorable little muncher. The Taos Meadow hiking trail starts here as well, a part of the Edmonds division of the Moosehorn Refuge.
We are in the Moosehorn National Wildlife Refuge on a little hike here with Scrappy.
It's very close to Cobscook Bay State Park Campground.
The bugs are a little brutal back here.
Just a little.
But yeah, Cobscook is technically in the National Wildlife Refuge. But anyway, we're walking down on the wildlife trail. And the bugs
And dogs are allowed.
Dogs are allowed. I don't know why, little rats. Go get him. Come on, big girl. Come on. That's my mighty dog. I mean, can you see the bugs around me? They are on me. Look at them all. They keep landing on the microphone thinking it's like a furry animal. Right on the screen. Oh my God, check that out. Here we are at the swamp.
At the end of the trail, we can't find anything.
Yeah, there's a trail basically ends because it has been overgrown and nobody's been bushwhacking it. So I guess this is it for us. We're gonna turn around and the flies, I think we're gonna run back so the flies can't catch us.
Yes.
What do you think? Ready to run?
Yeah, they're all over us.
Please get out of my way because you're ruining my shot, Larry. There he goes. While staying in Cobscook, I took advantage of the Moosehorn trails, but I had to keep moving fast to stay ahead of the flies and the mosquitoes.
Don't bite me.
We're headed into Lubec, Maine right here, and there's a little island that goes over to Canada that can only be accessed from Maine. It's kind of crazy.
Lubec was first settled in 1775, incorporated in 1811, named for Lubec, Germany. This memorial is to honor those who lost their lives in the fishing industry off the waters of Washington County, Maine, and Charlotte County, New Brunswick. Built in 1885, Muholland Point is the only lighthouse shared by Canada and the United States. Located in Quoddy State Park with 541 protected coastal acres, the original tower was built in 1808 under orders from President Thomas Jefferson, but today's tower was built in 1858. Here we are at Quoddy State Park at the lighthouse. And not only is it a super cool lighthouse, but we're at the northeastern point in the U.S.
Easternmost.
Easternmost,
not the northeasternmost. It's the easternmost.
Okay,
We've been to the southernmost in Key West, and now we've been to the easternmost. Now we got to do northernmost and westernmost, but I don't think that's going to be for a while.
No, next summer.
You coming up? What do you think, babe? She wants to see this lighthouse right here from the top of the mountain. Can you do it? Yeah, well, this may be her last words.
Recorded sighting.
Yeah, man, this is pretty awesome right here.
Yeah, I don't want to go to the edge.
No, you better not. Like how close you are to the edge there.
Ah!
That is scary drop off right there.
Yeah, I didn't know there was going to be all this climbing. Click the link on the screen to see our site-by-site tour of all the RV sites, as well as the amenities at Cobscook Bay State Park.